Macho yango muko kendo daro moko kuom kembe mayudre Athi River e kaunti ya Machakos mondo mi ochiw thuolo ne loso kama le mag bunge karito le mag bunge ma Nairobi nyalo kadhe. Gilero ni kuonde kembe mong'ere kaka EPZ ma Athi River tamo lego kalo kadhe kapiti. Jagoro yore migao mar limbe Silvia Musia okone girito mana buch jotend migepe mondo mi opodh chakruok ma chenrono mabiro konya duoko piny dhugruok mar le mag bunge karito le ma Nairobi National Park.
I've mapped out the entire corridor. It goes through EPZ-A, EPZ-B, some government land, ILRI, and all the way to some private landowners who we have even had a deliberation with, including having a sitting with the president on the importance. I'm happy that they are bought in. We are registering quite a number of conservancies. So it is now at cabinet waiting for approval, and then we will need Treasury to help us with some resources, development partners, other donors in the conservation sector, because there is a bit of moving required of plant and equipment within the EPZ-A and EPZ-B. It is government land, so there is not an aspect specifically for compensation of land. But where we gave a lease and someone has done a plant or machinery, then our suggestion is that we can fund the movement of that plant, machinery, equipment to somewhere else within the same EPZ land, and therefore open up the corridor as mapped out.